Stress, it's something we all face, but not everyone knows how to manage it effectively. In today's video, we're diving into 5 unique and powerful stress management techniques that you might not have tried yet. These tips go beyond the usual advice and offer fresh approaches to finding your calm. Stick around until the end to hear the pros and cons of each method. Let's get started. Segment 1, the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Our first tip is the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. This is an excellent method for when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious. It's all about bringing your focus back to the present moment by engaging your senses. Here's how it works. Start by looking around and naming 5 things you can see. Then, identify 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and finally, 1 thing you can taste. This simple exercise can instantly bring you back to the here and now, grounding you in the present moment and reducing stress. This technique works by shifting your attention away from stressful thoughts and onto your surroundings. By engaging your senses, you can interrupt the cycle of anxiety and create a sense of calm. Advantages: immediate relief, offers quick stress relief, especially in moments of acute anxiety. Easy to do anywhere, you can practice this technique in any situation, whether at work, home, or even in public. Disadvantages: temporary solution, it's great for the moment, but it might not address the underlying causes of stress. May feel repetitive, if used too often, it might lose its effectiveness as your mind becomes accustomed to the routine. Segment 2, journaling with a twist. Next up, we have a unique take on journaling, stream of consciousness journaling. Unlike traditional journaling, where you might write about your day or feelings, this method involves writing whatever comes to mind without filtering or editing. It's like a mental dump where you let your thoughts flow freely onto the page. All you need is a notebook and a pen. Set a timer for 10 minutes and start writing. Don't worry about grammar, punctuation, or making sense, just let your thoughts pour out. When the timer goes off, stop writing and close the notebook. This technique is a powerful way to release mental clutter and reduce stress. Stream of consciousness journaling helps you clear your mind of the thoughts and worries that can build up and cause stress. By getting everything down on paper, you create space in your mind for clarity and calm. Advantages: mental clarity, helps in clearing mental clutter and gaining insight into your thoughts and feelings. Private and personal, provides a safe space to express yourself without judgment. Disadvantages: time-consuming, it requires setting aside time each day, which may not be feasible for everyone. Potential overwhelm, for some, writing about stressors might temporarily heighten their anxiety. Segment 3, laughter yoga. Now, here's something a bit different, laughter yoga. Yes, you heard that right. Laughter yoga combines the physical act of laughing with yoga breathing exercises. The idea is to laugh intentionally, even if it feels forced at first, because your body doesn't know the difference between real and fake laughter. Either way, it releases endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. Start by taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, laugh out loud, even if it feels silly. You can try different types of laughs, like a deep belly laugh or a high-pitched giggle. It's usually done in a group setting, but you can absolutely try it on your own at home. Laughter yoga might seem unconventional, but it's an incredibly effective way to lift your mood and reduce stress. The combination of laughter and deep breathing enhances oxygen flow, relaxes the body, and boosts overall well-being. Advantages: instant mood booster, laughter instantly lifts your spirits and reduces stress. Social connection, if practiced in a group, it also fosters social bonding and support. Disadvantages: might feel awkward, for those new to it, laughing on command can feel unnatural or forced. Accessibility, finding a laughter yoga group might be challenging in some areas, although online sessions are available. Segment 4, forest bathing, Shinrin-yoku. Our 4th tip is a bit more connected to nature, it's called forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku. This Japanese practice involves immersing yourself in a forest environment and mindfully taking in the sights, sounds, and smells of nature. It's not about hiking or exercising, it's about being present in nature and absorbing its calming effects. To try it, simply find a quiet spot in a park or forest, and spend some time walking slowly or sitting quietly. Pay attention to the rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, the feel of the breeze on your skin. The idea is to engage all your senses and let nature do the rest. Forest bathing is more than just a walk in the woods, it's about reconnecting with nature and allowing it to calm your mind and body. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve mood. Advantages: deep relaxation. The natural environment promotes a sense of peace and relaxation. Health benefits. Regular forest bathing can improve your physical health by reducing stress hormones and boosting your immune system. Disadvantages: location dependent. Not everyone has easy access to forests or parks, which can make this practice less feasible. Time consuming. It requires setting aside time to visit nature, which might be difficult for those with busy schedules. Segment 5. Visualization and guided imagery. Finally, let's explore visualization and guided imagery. This technique involves imagining a peaceful scene or scenario in your mind. You can think of it as a mental escape from your stress. Whether it's a serene beach, a quiet forest, or a cozy cabin in the mountains, the key is to make the scene as vivid as possible. Imagine the colors, sounds, smells, and textures. To practice, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Picture your safe, relaxing place in your mind. Spend a few minutes there, enjoying the calm and peace it brings. This technique is especially helpful when you're feeling overwhelmed and need a quick mental break. Visualization and guided imagery work by diverting your focus away from stressors and onto a positive, calming mental image. This can help reduce anxiety, improve your mood, and even prepare you mentally for challenging situations. Advantages: effective mental escape, provides a quick mental retreat from stressful situations. Flexible and personal, you can tailor the imagery to suit your preferences, making it a highly personalized technique. Disadvantages: requires practice. It may take time to fully immerse yourself in the visualization, especially if you're not used to it. May not address root causes. While it's effective for temporary relief, it doesn't address the underlying causes of stress. So there you have it, 5 unique and powerful stress management techniques that you might not have tried yet. From grounding techniques and laughter yoga to forest bathing and visualization, these methods offer fresh ways to calm your mind and body. Remember, each technique has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, so it's all about finding what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little less stress in their life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, more balanced life. Thanks for watching, and take care.